Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese lobster. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking experience. You'll need 2 lobsters, about 1.5 pounds each, along with heavy cream, sharp cheddar cheese, butter, and flour. Having everything prepped makes the process much more enjoyable. This delicious dish is perfect for a special occasion or a delightful meal at home. Now let's prepare the star of our dish, the lobster. Boil your lobsters in salted water for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, carefully extract all the succulent meat from the tails and claws. Chop this delicious meat into 1-inch, bite-sized pieces. Remember to save those beautiful shells, they'll be perfect for serving. Next, we'll create our rich and creamy cheese sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan, then whisk in 1/4 cup of flour to form a roux. Slowly pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, stirring constantly until the sauce begins to thicken. Finally, add 4 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, stirring until it's completely melted and smooth. It's time to bring everything together for our amazing cheese lobster. Gently fold the chopped lobster meat into your warm, creamy cheese sauce. Carefully spoon this delightful mixture back into the reserved lobster shells. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, just until bubbly. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve this incredible dish immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.